Hi guys, welcome to today's Marketing Cloud demo. My name is Harshit Suri and I will be your instructor of Marketing Cloud. So guys, I am 4x certified Salesforce Marketing Cloud developer and have around 5 years of experience on marketing automation, specifically on Salesforce Marketing Cloud platform. And today I will walk you through all the components of Salesforce Marketing Cloud, which we will be seeing into our 1 month of personalized training sessions. So guys, let's start. So guys, with Marketing Cloud, there is a term marketing associated with the cloud. And everybody has a brief idea about marketing, what is marketing, how it is done, what type of marketing we can do, why it is important for a business, everything, everybody, you, me, everywhere, people have a brief idea about marketing. What is marketing, guys? I will quickly revise your concepts. Marketing is an action of promoting or selling a product or service to a group of people or to a larger audience. You do market research, advertising, you do promotions, you do every other things which is possible, which is in your scope to make people, the greater audience, domestic people, international people, aware of your products and services which you as a business or a person is offering to them. More people you reach, more people will be able to know what type of product and services you are selling to them or you are promoting. As more and more people will be educated, they will come to you, they will get more and more information about the product, they will buy the product from you, and you will get a return on investment or you will get a revenue. So every company uses marketing in order to promote the products, promote the business they are into, so that they can get more and more people to buy that service or product from them. So guys, think of 20 years back. That time also people were doing marketing. Now also we are doing marketing. 20 years back, there were no digital devices available. There was no internet boom. There was no such thing with the help of which you can interact with anybody digitally. The shops were physically present. They still used to do marketing. What type of marketing modes were there? They were able to display some banners over their shops, or if they have a nice budget, they can install a poster into the locality. They can give advertisements about the products and services into newspapers, advertisements, magazine sections, local magazines. If they have a nice budget, they will go on radio. They would have went on radio, and if they would have more budget, then they would have went to television and advertised the products and services. So that was actually the traditional way of marketing, where people themselves went to people, the audiences, and tried to educate them. They distributed pamphlets, they displayed banners, posters, and every sort of thing they can use to educate people, so that people can be aware of the brands and services, products they are offering. The moment they stop distributing pamphlets, the moment they stop displaying the advertisement over television, the moment they stopped displaying or publishing their advertisements into newspaper, people would have started to forget them. It was very expensive at that time, where people had to spend a lot of money in order to reach more and more people. They had to give printing costs, they had to give media costs, they had to give a number of costs. And in return, they were not able to get satisfactory result. How you can say they are not able to get satisfactory result? Because that was a one-way marketing. There was no two-way interaction with the customers. Like you distributed pamphlet, customer used to accept that pamphlet and go away. Customer is not able to provide any feedback. There was no any mechanism where the customer can go and comment about its products and services like we are able to do now. They are not able to provide feedback. So guys, marketing is also known to gather feedbacks and customize the product you are selling. Because if you reach people and if you don't gather their inputs, that means you are lacking into your strategy, because customers inputs are the only inputs which will help you to customize the product and services you are selling. Every product has different versions. With the time the product gets evolved. That means when the product was initially launched, it was having a different version, a different feature, but with the time, with the inputs, it gets evolved. So guys, earlier when we used to follow traditional marketing, there was no mechanism to gather customer inputs. There was no mechanism to read the behavior of the customer about on the product you have sold to them. There was no way where you can gather insights from the customers. So that was actually a drawback for the traditional marketing. Also, there was a lot of money spent in order to print those pamphlets, papers, and all, display advertisement over television, radio, and in return they hardly used to get any people for their business. If they spend a lot of money, continuous money, to distribute pamphlets, posters, then they can see a minimal growth into their business. But the moment they stopped, they wouldn't have seen any growth. But with the evolution of technology, we all know that we are into internet era. That means everything has become digital now. The shop which was present physically is also present in a form of digital way. If it has a nice budget, they can open a website, e-commerce website. If they even have more budget, they can have their mobile application. Or if they are budget constrained, they don't have budget, at least they can open a store on the Facebook, Instagram, which is free of cost, and they can start accepting orders. So guys, all the businesses or most of the businesses you are seeing now, which were part of your locality, has at least presence on Facebook and Instagram, has at least started, or has at least, I have an idea to start an online business which will boom in next few years. So guys, as this online business, everything, people are getting digital, people are acquiring digital presence. That means the shops which were present in a physical format is now digital. Earlier, shop was only able to get the input or get the customers from its locality, but now everywhere worldwide, throughout India, people can interact with their shop as it is digitally present. So guys, with this interaction, people coming more and more on their shop, visiting more and more their shop, they are actually generating a lot of data. You went on Facebook, you searched for a product. You suppose a shop is there on Facebook or Instagram. You searched for a product. You didn't like that product. You can go and comment. You can you can suggest something via comment that this should be present into the product. If you like the product, you can share the product. If you are if you have any sort of data about that product, you have surplus opportunities to publicize that idea, that feedback, to a greater audience. So guys, with the help of digitalization, everything is now digital. People who own smart devices can now visit their shop, and with every visit, with every interaction digitally, people are generating a lot of data. People are generating a lot of data. For example, you take a look on Amazon. You went to Amazon, you search some products. By searching some products, you write some keywords. So with the help of those keywords, Amazon tries to search a product which is into its database and displays you that product. According to the algorithm it has designed, it will rank the products available based on the reviews, feedbacks, and all. So it tries to give you the best product which is best suited for the keyword you have searched. That means while you searched for a keyword, you have generated some data. Amazon used that data to customize its product selection and display it to you. Now further, you buy that product, you comment that product, Amazon will ask the reviews of that product. All these data Amazon tries to gather so that it can customize its marketing strategy for you. How? With the help of keywords, Amazon knows that which is the most likely searched keyword and which is the least searched keyword. If it knows that this is the highly searched keyword, it will try to improve the product for that keyword so that it can reach more and more people with that product. It's customized the marketing strategy so that it can reach the right segment of people who have searched for that keyword. For example, a new men perfume brand has come. The perfume brand is purely for men. Now it reached Amazon. It told Amazon that they want to promote, they want to launch this product on their website. Now they need help from Amazon to reach the people, to educate the people, to promote that product to the people, the right audience, the right audience. Now Amazon already knows that how many people who have registered on their website are male, are female. Amazon already knows that which segment of customer, which age group of customer is likely to buy that product. Because whenever you sign up on Amazon, Amazon tries to ask for your gender, male or female, your age, everything, first name, last name, email address. So they try to build a basic profile of you. That you went on Amazon, you have generated a data by submitting a basic profile. Now Amazon used that basic profile to identify, okay, 60% of people are male and 40% people are female. Now it has to launch. Now a company reached Amazon to promote a product. Amazon will pull only 60% of male population. It won't waste promoting the men's brand to 40% of female population. Here, Amazon has customized its strategy based on the data available. Furthermore, Amazon knows that out of the 60% of male population, there are at least there are at least n% of population who is most likely to see this advertisement or most likely to at least visit the product page, which is the male population between 15 to 45 years. Because out of the 60% of male population which it has different age groups. Amazon again try to analyze the data which is present. Those 60% population may have searched for perfumes earlier with the help of keyword. Amazon knows that which out of those 60% population, which segment of customers is most likely to see this advertisement of the new perfume product, men's product, which they are going to launch. So Amazon, with the help of this data, customize its marketing strategy, and you will see that it sends some emails, SMSs displaying the new product launch or to the right segment of audience, or they try to reach via email. They will try to send you product recommendation emails, every other sort of things they will try to send you, because Amazon system has identified that you are the best segment to which it can reach and promote that product. So guys, with the help of technology, people are present online, all the shops are present online. You are able to do digital marketing of your brand. Digital marketing means you do some SEO, you display some advertisements and all, and with the help of digital marketing you are able to get the traffic on your website, on your application. Now after you are able to get the traffic on your website and application, people will search products, people will do behaviors on your product, will show behaviors on your brand's presence, and they have generated a lot of data. They are in process to generate the data, and they will generate the data whenever they reach your brand. With with the help of digital marketing, you are able to increase the footfall of people on your brand's presence, which is present in the form of website, application. And as the footfall has increased, those footfall have contributed in data generation. Those data which is generated by those people who have visited on your brand's touch points or presence has lead to a new concept of marketing, which is called as data driven marketing. So guys, data driven marketing is a concept where you are getting traffic from the customers. customers are interacting with your brand, customers are interacting with your product online, and with the help of which they are able to generate a lot of data on your website, on your application, anywhere they have visited, on Facebook, on Instagram. If you are able to read that data, if you are able to profile that data, if you are able to build the profile of the customer with the help of data, if you are able to build the profile of the customer with the help of data they are generating, you are able to do data driven marketing, because data will be most important thing in future as well as today. Just a second, guys. So guys, with the help of data, you will be able to customize your marketing strategy, because nowadays every brand, every system you see is very capable to read every interaction of a customer, and based on that interaction, it is able to send communication, personalized communication to you, a personalized marketing communication to you. Take of another example, you went on Amazon, you searched for a jeans, you really like that jeans, you went and put into the cart. Now after some time, your mom called, your dad called, your brother, sister called on your phone, you got distracted, you closed that Amazon application, the product was still into your cart. Amazon will wait for 20-30 minutes, and if it finds there is no activity, it will pull that data which you have put into the cart, it will pull the information of the abundant cart which you have done with the product which you abandoned inside the cart. It will club that product into an email, and will after 30 minutes it will send an email that you forgot this product into the cart. Here is the customized link of that product. You can use this link to buy that product from Amazon. Now, if you still don't buy that product, after 2 or 3 days, Amazon or other type of companies will send you some coupon, 20% off on your first purchase, 30% off on first purchase. So guys, they are able to read the data, they are able to see that you are interacting with their product, but still you are not buying that product. They will try to customize the marketing strategy so that they can nurture you, they can make an impact on your decision making. And if somehow someday you saw that email, you again recall that product into the mind, and maybe you can go and buy that product after seeing that email. But guys, brands have to maintain a relationship with you so that it can impact your decision making power. If Amazon would not have sent any email after you have done abandoned cart, that means you wouldn't have bought that product from Amazon. As Amazon was able to read the data, it tried to send continuous emails. You also check emails regularly. So someday after 2 days, 3 days, you may make up your mind. The Amazon's communication which is sent to you may influence your decision making power, and you may go and buy the product from the Amazon. So guys, how this is possible? This is only possible with the help of data driven marketing. So guys, what is data-driven marketing? A data-driven marketing is the approach of optimizing brand communications based on customer information. That means you have to collect the data, you have to compile and analyze the data, and after you have analyzed the data, you will get a data insight. You have to convert that data insight into a marketing strategy. Then only you will be able to make your brand popular, then only you will be able to reach more and more people. If you do not start collecting the data, analyzing and turning the data into a strategy, you will lose a customer, and every customer you lose will impact your return on investment. Every customer is important to you guys. For every customer, you must be capable to read any kind of data which he is generating or she is generating on your brand. So data-driven marketing will help you to get the data insight which you can customize into a marketing strategy. Data-driven marketers use customer data to predict their needs, desires, future behaviors. Such insights help develop personalized marketing strategies for highest possible return of investment. The best example is for Amazon. It is every time capable to read the data and has turned every data into insight and into a specific marketing strategy, which is the key of its success. It You must have seen something on Amazon. Now you went to Facebook, you will see that advertisement. The same product will be you will be seeing as an advertisement into Facebook, Instagram, or any other social media channel you use. So Amazon is capable to read what you are searching and is able to convert into a strategy, will show you advertisements and all, so that it can impact your decision making power. And in today's world, if you are not able to read the data about the customer, what they are saying, what they are performing, how the behavior they are showing on your products and services, you won't be able to grow your business, because this is highly competitive world and you have to read the data of every customer. So guys, with the help of digital marketing, you are able to get more and more customers on your website, on your app, and you are able to get more and more footfall of the customers on your mobile application, website, everywhere. With the help of those footfall, people have started to generate a lot of data, and you have defined a strategy where you are collecting the data, converting it into insight and strategy, that is called as data driven marketing. So guys, think of Amazon again. Every day, every second, millions of customer goes, and millions of customers will be doing abundant cart. That means millions of customers will be putting the product into the cart and will forget within 10 minutes. So guys, there has to be an automated system with the help of which the Amazon system is continuously able to analyze the data and turn into a strategy, send email communication, SMS, push notification to the people who have abandoned the cart automatically, because it can't send everybody manually, because it is running a huge business worldwide. It can't maintain enough manpower which will manually send emails, SMSs about marketing communications to the customers. There has to be an automated way where everything will be read by default. The data generated will be read by default by in an automated way, and the communication should be sent to the people in automated fashion. That evolved has that that thing has evolved a new concept of marketing, which is called as marketing automation. Digital marketing has led to data driven marketing. With the help of data driven marketing, we are now into marketing automation, where we are able to read the data about the customers automatically, turn it into the strategy, and take next best actions at the right place at the right time for the right customer. If you don't take next best actions after you have read the data about the customer at the right time, at the right moment, at the right place, at the right channel to the right customer, you will lose him as a customer. You have to continuously read the data about the customer, and you have to reach the customer at the same time he is willing you to reach. If you reach the customer after 2 days, he may have bought that product from other website. There is no means. You have to nurture the decision making power of the customer. So with the help of data driven marketing, you have to achieve marketing automation. So guys, today is the era of marketing automation. What is marketing automation? Marketing automation helps you identify potential customers, automate the process of nurturing leads to sales readiness. That means you have to continuously read the data and check who is your potential customer, create the best segment of those customers, and continuously you have to automate the process. If you don't automate the process, you will not be able to reach the customer at the right time, at the right place, at the right channel, and at the right moment when he wants you to be reached. You have to define an automation which is capable to reach the customer automatically at the right time. That automation you will be able to do with the help of marketing automation. Marketing automation is a combination of data driven marketing. With the help of data driven marketing, you will be able to achieve marketing automation. How you will be able to achieve marketing automation? You have to define workflows, that we will see later when we will see in detail how to define workflows. But a simple marketing automation workflow looks like this, which is shown inside your screen. On your screen, it has an entry point from where the data will come. It has if else conditions, which helps you to define logic, what to do with the data which has entered, and you have to take the next best action. You have to get the data from an entry point, you have to define the logic to read the data, analyze the data, get the insight from the data, and then you have to take the next best action. That is, you have to convert that insight into a marketing strategy. This is a typical marketing automation workflow which you require, which every marketer require nowadays to become a marketing automation capable. To acquire the capability of marketing automation, every brand, every company has to follow marketing automation workflow. Otherwise, they won't be able to survive into this competitive world. So guys, with the help of marketing automation, you can define workflows like we saw into previous slide, and you will be able to reach customers at the right channel. If your customer wants email, you have to reach via email. The same time, if the customer wants to get a push notification, you have to reach him via push notification. If the customer wants you to reach on social media, if he has interacted on social media, you should be capable to read the data about the customer on social media. Or if you want to reach a customer via website, web personalization you can do. With the help of marketing automation, you have all the channels enabled with you, which you can use to reach the customers automatically. So guys, all these things, all this data driven marketing automation concept which we have seen is possible on one platform, which is called as Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Salesforce Marketing Cloud is built on world's #1 CRM platform. It enables you to know your customer, personalize with intelligence, and engage across entire journey. That means you can read the data about the customer in the process to know your customer. You can personalize that data with the intelligence of Marketing Cloud to define a personalized marketing strategy for that customer, and you can engage the customer with the strategy you have built. Marketing Cloud, Salesforce Marketing Cloud is the only integrated marketing automation customer engagement platform that enables you to deliver personalized customer engagement on every channel, from email to web, mobile, social, digital advertising. Marketing Cloud will help you to reach your customer at every channel, at the right place, at the right time, at the right moment. And you have to follow this strategy in order to get the nice return on investments, because you have to design intelligent systems that will cost you money. And if you have invested money into intelligent system design, you will have desire to get return on investment, nice in return on investment. So with the help of our Salesforce Marketing Cloud, you will be able to do data driven marketing automation. You have to design such an intelligent system which facilitates data driven marketing automation, which would definitely help you to increase your return on investment. So guys, let's quickly see what all we have into Salesforce Marketing Cloud. In Salesforce Marketing Cloud, we have journeys, we have contact, content, channel, analytics, apps. Journeys means you can create personalized customer journeys with every customer interaction, with every customer data available with you. You can define a customized marketing journey for that customer. For example, one customer was searching for a coupon online, it landed to your website. You are providing a 30% off coupon on a product. He signed up on your website, you sent automatically him a coupon. Now customer forgot that coupon, he didn't use that coupon. You will again send him reminder email that the coupon you have purchased or you have signed up, you got a coupon, please use this coupon. Still after 2 or 3 days, customer has not used that coupon. After 2 or 3 days, you will again send a reminder that your coupon is going to expire in next 7 days. Please make a purchase and get nice 30% off. Now again, customer has not interacted with that communication. He has not used the coupon. Again, you will send the email that the coupon is not used, only 1 day is left, tomorrow it will expire. And tomorrow again, you will send the email that only 12 hours, 6 hours are left with the down timer. So guys, this is a customized journey, a coupon journey which you have created. Whenever customer has requested a coupon from you, you will be, from that movement, you will be able to track if the customer has utilized the coupon or not utilized. And if customer has not utilized the coupon, you can define a journey which will be a series of 6 to 7 emails, 4 to 5 emails, which will continuously keep on reminding customer, will impact his decision making. And suppose One day he saw that plenty of emails are coming, he may use that coupon. Because if you don't maintain a relationship with the customers, customer will straight away forget you. You have to every time reach the customer at the right time and remind him about the products and services, about his activities, so that you can impact on his decision making power. So with the help of Marketing Cloud, you can create journeys, you can maintain entire database, you can create contents like email, SMS, push notifications. You have different channels to reach your customers like email, SMS, MMS, push notifications. You can integrate mobile application, social advertising, web experience, group messaging, every channels you have to reach your customers. The strategy you define to reach your customers and the channel you choose to reach your customers will again generate data about the customer. If you suppose send an email to a customer, if a customer opened that email, again he has generated a data. You will be able to track how many people have opened the email, how many people have clicked any link inside the email. If you send a push notification on the customer's mobile application, you are able to track if customer has interacted with that mobile application or not. And again, with this communication which you send from Marketing Cloud, you will be again able to track the customer's behavior on the communication you send. And again, you can read the data and customize the strategy. All these things you do in order to promote your product or convince the customer to buy the products and services. And at last, you would require to see the analytics, the performance of your marketing. You have analytics capabilities into Marketing Cloud, with the help of which you will be able to pull reports, create dashboards, and you can pull other type of analytics which will help you to define a customized marketing strategy for you, which will help you to get the output of the marketing strategy you have defined. And if the marketing strategy you have defined is not working well as per your own scope, with the help of analytics, you can get a clear picture of your performance, and soon you will be able to change the marketing strategy because analytics has already shown you that your marketing strategy is not working. So with the help of Marketing Cloud, you will be able to do all the activities which is required for your marketing automation. And marketing automation is the future of marketing, guys. So guys, let's see what all things we have into Marketing Cloud. In Marketing Cloud, we have to go and log in with mc.exacttarget.com URL. mc.exacttarget.com URL is the login of Marketing Cloud. You can't sign up to this Marketing Cloud. This is a paid platform. If you sign up to the coaching, you will get this free of cost complimentary. So guys, after you log into Marketing Cloud, you will get a window which is originally the Marketing Cloud, which you will be going to work. This Marketing Cloud has plenty of features within it. All the features will help you to define marketing automation capabilities for your company. We have email studio, mobile studio. Under mobile studio, we have mobile connect. Mobile connect means you can send SMS, MMS. We have mobile push. You can integrate your mobile applications, iOS, Android applications to Salesforce, and you can send push notifications. You must have seen Zomato, you must have seen Swiggy. They continuously, if that application is inside your phone, they continuously tries to send some push notifications. That is also a new era marketing, guys. Integrating a mobile app and continuously reaching the customer via push notification is the modern way of marketing. So Zomato, Swiggy every time tries to send push notifications so that they can gain your attention over their application, and you may buy some products or services. They will not stop promoting their products and services to you because they have their own mobile application. They can send you push notification anytime. In return, they will get your attention, and may you may buy the product today or tomorrow, day after tomorrow. For that, they have to continuously market, because if they don't send push notifications, the app hardly you will open the application. If you live single, then it's good, you can open it frequently. But if you live into a family, hardly people open Zomato and Swiggy. Suppose on one time in a week they open. But Zomato, Swiggy continuously tries to promote the products, the restaurants they have into your locality, so that you can visit their application more frequently. So with the help of Mobile Connect, you can integrate Salesforce with you can integrate mobile applications, Android, iOS applications. With the help of Group Connect, you will be able to integrate messaging apps like Facebook Messenger. Nowadays, people are reaching on WhatsApp. Brands are promoting WhatsApp messages. Brands are reaching on your Facebook messengers. Brands are reaching on Line messengers. These all messaging apps you will be able to integrate with Marketing Cloud using Group Connect. You have Social Studio advertising, Web Studio, Interaction Studios to integrate your websites. You have plenty of studios which are the channels which you can use to reach your Marketing Cloud customers. And you have some builders. Marketing Cloud typically is divided into studios and builders. Studios are the channels which you will have to use, and builders are the platform tools which will help you to define workflows for marketing automation. Like you have Automation Studio, it's an extract, transform, load platform which will help you to provide the correct segment of data which you can market for a particular product and services. You have Journey Builder, you have Content Builder to design dynamic content. So guys, dynamic content means, think of Amazon again. You abandoned the cart, you received your product into the email, the product you abandoned. At the same time, I also abandoned the cart, I received my product. At the same time, millions of people abandoned the cart, millions of people received their own product which they went and put into the Amazon's cart. The single email was built by Amazon, but it is sent to millions of customers displaying their own personalized data. So, guys, this is also a marketing automation where you can automate this process. You can have dynamic contents created. You can write logics in order to make the communication personalized and automate the process. So with the help of Content Builder, you will be able to use personalized and dynamic. You will be able to build personalized and dynamic messages for your audience. You have Audience Builder. In Audience Builder, you have Contact Builder, which is required to create your own data model. So guys, we are going to see data-driven marketing. For that data-driven marketing, we should have a nice data model, a robust data model, a scalable data model, such distributed data model with the help of which we are able to distribute the data about the customers in a normalized way, and we are able to retrieve that data from the data model we have created in fast manner, so that we can utilize that data into the strategy, and that strategy we can use to promote, market our people for a product, for the product or services you are selling. So guys, the first and foremost thing is the data which you have to store, the data model which you have to create, that you will be able to do with the Content Builder, Audience Builder. So we will see everything into details when we implement Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Marketing Cloud is divided into studios and builders. Studios are the channels which you can use to reach your customers. Builders are the platform tools which will help you to define data-driven marketing automation strategies. Marketing Cloud also has Einstein features, that means artificial intelligence features. You must have got product recommendation email from Amazon. Nobody has asked Amazon to send a product recommendation email, but based on your past searches, based on the keywords you have searched, Amazon is able to pull the relevant product based on the keywords you have searched, clubbed into an email and sent the product recommendation email. That is only possible with the help of Einstein, that is artificial intelligence features of Marketing Cloud, which gives you more in-depth insight of the product you are selling, the keywords which people are using to search that product, every detail about the customer. You will be able to get core insight with the help of artificial intelligence capabilities of Marketing Cloud, with the help of which you can even more customize your marketing strategy. Furthermore, we have App Exchange to integrate third-party applications with Salesforce, and we have platform tools like Package Manager, Deployment Manager to deploy our change set from staging environment to production environment, test environment to production environment. Because you will be working as a consultant, as a developer on Marketing Cloud, every developer or consultant has worked on two different platforms, staging and production, staging for test and production for live environment. So everything you build first into staging, you have to deploy into production. We have platform tools available to deploy the change sets from one environment to other environment. The window in front of you is the automation studio. This type of automation we can create workflows. We have already seen what is a workflow, how a workflow can be defined. Those workflows we will be using Automation Studio to create. It is an extract, transform, load platform with capabilities of ETL, segmentations, and every other details, every other capabilities you have to use in order to get the right segmented audience for your marketing communication. You will be using Automation Studio to define those workflows inside Marketing Cloud to achieve data-driven marketing automation. So guys, we will see everything in detail when we start our coaching. It was just a brief about what we have into Marketing Cloud. So what we have seen into Marketing Cloud, we have studios and builders. Studios represents the channels like email, mobile, social, mobile application, push notification. These are all the channels with the help of which you can reach your customers. And builders are the platform tools with the help of which you will be able to reach your define the customized marketing strategy for your customers. Furthermore, we will be seeing into Marketing Cloud. We will start our coaching with defining a data model. Marketing Cloud has two type of data models. We will see in detail: list based data model and contact based data model. One is relational, one is not relational. We will see how to define data models into Marketing Cloud. We will use Marketing Cloud Connect to connect sales service cloud of Salesforce with Marketing Cloud. Because if you look for a CRM means sales service and marketing. Salesforce has a standard product for for marketing automation. Salesforce also has a different product for sales and service. We will see how to connect these three dots to create an entire CRM and use the data present into different clouds to use for marketing, to be used for marketing communications. With the help of Marketing Cloud Connect, we will be able to integrate sales service community cloud of of Salesforce with Marketing Cloud, and we'll have a distributed architecture across cloud functionality, multi-cloud functionality, with the help of which we will be able to and fro the data. We will be having more greater capability to analyze the data and to facilitate data-driven marketing. After that, guys, we will be seeing APIs, application programming interfaces, into Marketing Cloud, with the help of which you will be able to work on transactions. With Salesforce Marketing Cloud, you not only do marketing, but you are capable to handle transactions. You went to ATM, you withdraw some money, you automatically get an updated SMS. You purchase something from Amazon, you get immediately the invoice. These are also the communications which are sent to you as a part of marketing, but these all are the transactional communications. So you not only be able to do commercial marketing with Salesforce Marketing Cloud, commercial data-driven marketing with Marketing Cloud, but you will be also able to handle long, robust transactions. If you are a website where you have to handle the transaction, if you want to handle a transaction from a mobile application, you have the integration facility with Salesforce Marketing Cloud, with the help of which you will be able to achieve transaction. We will see in detail how to work both on commercial and transactional aspects of Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Furthermore, guys, we will deep dive into Email Studio. We will design data-driven dynamic email, the single email we will build, and it will be helping you to fulfill all your requirement. The same email when sent to different customers will show their own data, and the same email when it lands to customers inbox will be displayed differently for each customers, will be personalized for each customers. We will see this technology, how to build such dynamic emails. We will see can spam law. It is not spam, it is can spam law, the international law of email marketing automation, both commercial and transactional marketing automation. We will see in detail how to be compliant with can spam law. In order to achieve data-driven marketing automation, in order to achieve personalization, dynamic content requirements, We have a scripting language into Marketing Cloud that is called as AMP script. We will be seeing into details what are the basics of AMP script, how to use, where to use, what we can do with the AMP script, everything in detail we will see and study this AMP script from scratch. Furthermore, we will see Web Studio, how to define small websites, landing pages, microsites, this type of interactive form which you can build with the help of Web Studio. We will see how to do that with the help of AMP script and other technologies available within Marketing Cloud. We will more deep dive into Mobile Studio. We have seen in Mobile Studio, we have Group Connect for Facebook messaging, line messaging. You can integrate messaging apps with Marketing Cloud to send messages via messengers. We have Mobile Connect, with the help of which you will be able to send SMS, MMS to your customers. We have Mobile Push, where you can integrate your mobile application with Android or iOS application with Marketing Cloud and facilitate mobile push messaging services. We will see how to use location-based messaging services as well. You ordered some. You may be aware you have ordered Ola, Uber. You must have used Ola or Uber. Whenever the driver is near to your location, whenever the driver is about to reach your location, you get a push notification your driver is about to reach. That push notification is only sent with the capability that system is able to read the location of that driver and is able to customize that into a strategy and sending a push notification. This is a transactional aspect, guys. So with the help of this feature, location entry exit feature, we will see how to use this feature and how applications like Uber, Ola is able to track the movement of the customer, of the movement of the drivers, and is able to read the location and customize into a push messaging. We will see how to automate the processes. We have already seen Automation Studio, how to define workflows. This type of journeys, automations, workflows, we will be defining into Marketing Cloud in order to do data-driven marketing automation. We will see ETL capabilities of automation, extract, transform, load capabilities. We will see how to automate recurring processes. We will see how to segment the data, how to write SQL, how to write queries and query the data from our distributed context-based data model, how to achieve this query scenarios. We will see in detail. We will try to see how Automation Studio and Journey Builder, these two important platforms, work hand in hand within Marketing Cloud. We will be able to define such kind of journeys like we discussed a coupon example. There are n number of examples where you can define customized, personalized journeys. We will see how to create them into Marketing Cloud. We will use Analytics Builder to generate reports performance of our marketing strategies, the behavior of the customer. We will be able to track and generate an analytics which will help you to get the clear insight about the strategy you have implemented, if it is working or not working, where it is not working, what you have to do, everything you will be able to get with the help of Analytics Builder. And last but not the least, we will see Deployment Manager to deploy the change set from staging to production environment. So guys, I have tried to cover all the basic things, all the topics which we will be covering in detail in next 1 month of our Salesforce Marketing Cloud training. And now I would like you to ask questions if you have any regarding this training session, which we are going to commence in coming days. So guys, any questions on anything you want to clarify, let me know. I'm here to help you out. Any questions, guys?
Hi, Harshit. This is Sirisha here. So, I have a doubt regarding the coding part. How we have coding Apex classes and triggers and Lightning coding in the core Salesforce. Will the Marketing Cloud also having the same coding content here, or?
No, Marketing Cloud has different languages: AMP script, server-side JavaScript, Apex, and all won't be carried forward here. But AMP script, I will be helping you to understand from scratch. A bit of coding is required in Marketing Cloud to achieve dynamic content anywhere you work on software, anytime you will land to a code. So guys, I will be helping you out. I will be giving you dedicated sessions on AmpScript so that you can understand basic of AmpScript, how to use them, and from there you will be able to take it forward in your journey.
Okay, so we use only AmpScript for any critical requirements, kind of, right?
AmpScript for dynamic email. For custom contents, we use HTML, CSS, that is open source languages. HTML, CSS, SQL we use for data segmentations. That also we have to see.
Okay.
And server side JavaScript is there. That is an advanced language, and APIs are there. So all these things we will be able to see.
So
These all are
whatever,
the, yeah.
so whatever we need the coding structure for the development part, so you're going to cover all these things.
Correct. I will be covering AmpScript, SQL. I will be covering APIs. So you don't have to worry. Just have to join this coaching and listen me for next 1 month. You will be able to get everything, every aspects of coding which you require to enhance your career into marketing cloud.
So it will be kind of like with use cases, right? Any real-time scenarios or with any use case?
Everything will be real time. Everything will be practical. I myself work, and I am not actually that teacher that I will only teach theoretical. The projects I have implemented till now for different clients, those projects I will try to show you practically how to do that.
Okay, okay. And one more last doubt. So how we can practice this? Because anyway, this is a managed practice which normally we don't get in the developer org, right? So how can we get this for the practice purpose?
Managed package you do in developer are to integrate Salesforce and Marketing Cloud. Salesforce Marketing Cloud is entirely different platform which you will get access to complimentary for 2 to 3 months when you join this coaching. You can use that login access. It would be your own login access for next 2 3 months, which you can use to practice.
Oh, okay, okay. Thank you.
Welcome.
So it's not like a PPT thing, right? So live demonstration will be there in the course.
Obviously, how you will
No,
understand.
no. I heard in some other institutes like it's kind of a PPT. There is no live examples. That's why I just want to clarify.
Go and visit my LinkedIn. I have started my career with Marketing Cloud. This PPT only for demo purpose. I have prepared. I can't show
Okay.
everything in one day, right?
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Yeah,
But
just want to
PPT
clarify in
also
the
I
coming
will
sessions.
use. PPT also I will use because there are conceptual things. You can't straight away go and code, right? You have to understand the cloud as well as its coding part. To understand the cloud, you have to understand the conceptual thing.
That's true. That's true. I'm not asking about the theory part and everything, just for the practicals and just expecting.
Yeah. So for theoretical and conceptual part, I will be giving you via PPT, and I will also be demonstrating the same topic practically.
Okay, that's great. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, this is Madhu speaking. So just, I mean, already the questions which she asked, I mean, the most you have covered. So only one thing I would like to know, will you cover only the development part, or else will you cover the admin part of the Salesforce Marketing Cloud?
No, the coaching will cover all the 4 certification parts, guys. I will make it clear. These all 4 certifications: email specialist, marketing administrator, consultant, and developer. These 4 parts will be covered into this coaching.
Okay, these mostly I missed this PPT, this slide mostly. Okay, now I'm clear. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. These 3 certifications, consultant, administrator, and email specialist, if you listen me for 1 month carefully, blindly, you will be able to clear. For developer, you need practice because development is difficult. It's not easy. Like if you haven't started the development any time in your career, you will take some time to grasp, but I will give you all the brief concept and everything which is required for development. Still, it requires practice from your end. So you can clear these 3 certifications within 15 days of our coaching and completion of coaching. If you revise the topics which I have taught for development, you can give 15 more days. And how about openings, guys? Marketing, every company do. It has more openings than normal Salesforce Sales and Service Cloud, I can say. You already know how many openings are there into Salesforce. More openings will be there into Marketing Cloud. Every brand, if it is small or big, will have this marketing automation. And this is going to boom in future as well. You don't have to worry about the opening, just worry about the skills you have to acquire in order to get the job. If you have the right skill, people will definitely come and will forcefully hand over the job to you. But the thing is, you have to get the right skill. This is not digital marketing, this is IT platform, cloud technology. This is the entire technology which you have to learn and grasp. Then only you will be able to get nice jobs, and openings are surplus. Nowadays it's boom into Marketing Cloud. If you don't hit this time, then you may be getting less package, because this is the boom in this technology. This year, last year was the boom, next year also it would be boom. It is the right time to get learn this technology and get a nice package. Any other questions, guys?
No questions, Harshit.
Okay. So guys, we will be commencing the batch from Monday, Tuesday, whenever we get the strength. So please register for this coaching, and we will get you this Marketing Cloud account access, and we will start to train this Marketing Cloud platform to you. The training would be for next 1 month, every Monday to Friday. We will be deciding the time, and we will be commencing. So guys, please, if you have any queries, you can reach me on LinkedIn, and you can discuss me over there. And I would really like you to see into the coaching which is going to commence in coming days, and will hope best of your career in Marketing Cloud. And you have to leave everything. If you learn this technology for next 15 years, you can survive easily. I haven't learned any other thing than this Marketing Cloud, and I'm doing good from past 5.5 years. I am working on the same technology, and still I can say that I can work for next 10 years more on this technology, guys. So this is the single step you have to do if you are a fresher, or if you want to change the job. This is the platform you can rely your entire career upon. Thanks, guys. Hopefully we will meet in the coaching. Have a lovely day. Bye.
Yeah, thanks, Harshit.
Thank you, Harshit.
Thanks, guys.